Alright, so check this out. Now I put a push button start on this Jeep Friday. And something was brought to my attention. Actually, the customer brought it to my attention. So I just feel like if you have one of these Jeeps, it need to be shared because it sucks having the way they got it set up. So, see, there's one cigarette lighter here, and then there's nothing else, pretty much the charging thing. All right. So, like, okay, what about the people in the back? Yeah, what about the people in the back? So, for the people in the back, just add that. I mean, you can buy this at AutoZone or O'Reilly's, wherever. You just need a drill bit, drill it in, run the wires up to the cigarette lighter in the front, and that's pretty much a go. I felt it was necessary because I'm pretty sure this guy, it does have push button start. Alright. Pretty sure a lot of y'all like, well, how the hell am I supposed to charge anything else? Well, there you go. Alright. It's on. Turn it back off. Turn this off. And it's off. So if you have a Jeep and you're like, well, I need some more charging ports, you can actually do double, one on that side and one on that side. So there you have it. For all you Jeep owners, do that and it'll make life a whole lot simpler. From me to y'all, Auto Impression Ltd is working. We out.